Hello again, little friends. Welcome back to the Bhasha Bridge, where India's languages are easy and fun. Last time we learned the vowels. Today it's the consonants, the sounds we mix with vowels to make words. I make these for my son and for every kid who finds languages hard. Ready? Let's go. So, what will we learn today? All the main Kannada consonants, we call them vyanjana. There are 25 in 5 little groups. We'll hear each sound, spot which ones need a puff of air, and match every letter to a funny picture. By the end, you will say them all. Here's how you become a Kannada star on Yuptira in 3 easy steps. Step 1, watch this video. Step 2, open the Kannada pronunciation page and tap the little speaker on each letter so you hear it in real Kannada. Practice until it's perfect. Step 3, take the fun quiz to test yourself and climb the leaderboard. Watch, practice, and play. That's all. One quick thing. What is a consonant? In Kannada, it's a vyanjana. Every consonant carries a little a inside it. So, ka says ka, not just k. And here's a secret. Some sounds come with a tiny puff of air. Watch for the puff. Now let's meet all 25 one by one. Here comes our first group, the ka group. These 5 sounds come from the back of your mouth. Ka, k, g, gh, n. Let's meet them one by one. Consonants start now. Meet k. Say k. Like the k in kite. Say it with me. K. 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 K gives us kappe, a hoppy little frog going ribbit ribbit. K for kappe. Here's k. Say k. It's a k with a puff of air. Hold your hand near your mouth and feel the breath. K. Say it with me. K. 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 K gives us kharjuru, sweet chewy dates. K for kharjuru. Meet g, say g, like the g in goat. Say it with me. G, g, g. G gives us gante, a bell going tingling. G for gante. Here's g. Say g, a g with a puff of air. Say it with me. G, g, g. Gh gives us ghata, a round clay pot full of cool water. Gh for ghata. This one is special. N, the ng sound, like the end of sing. You won't see it at the start of a word. Its sound hides inside. Listen. In mung, a cheeky monkey, that little dot makes the ng. Mung. N in mung. Next, the ch group. These come from the middle of your mouth. Ch, ch, j, jh, nya. Ready? Meet ch. Say ch, like the ch in chair. Say it with me. Ch, 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 ch. Ch gives us chitte, a pretty butterfly. Flutter, flutter. Ch for chitte. Here's ch. Say ch, a ch with a puff of air. Say it with me. Ch, ch, ch. Ch gives us chhatri, an umbrella for rainy days. Pitter patter. Ch for chhatri. Meet j. Say ja, like the j in jam. Say it with me. J, j, j. J gives us jenu, sweet sticky honey. Yum. J for Jenu. Yes, J. Say J. A J with a puff of air. Say it with me. J. 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 J gives us Jhari, a little stream going splish splash. J for Jhari. Another special one. Nya. A soft Nya sound like in canyon. Say it with a smile. It hides inside words too. Hear it in Gnana, which means knowledge, being super clever just like you. Nya in Gnana. Now the T group, the hard sounds. Curl your tongue back for these. T, T, D, D, N. Tongues up. Now the hard sounds. Curl your tongue back. Meet T, a hard T. Curl your tongue up and say T. Say it with me. T, T, T. T gives us topi, a little cap for your head. T for topi. Here's T, a hard Th. Curl your tongue back and add a puff of air. Say it with me. T, T, T. T gives us Tasse, a stamp that goes thunk on paper. T for Tasse. Meet D, a hard D. Curl your tongue back and say D. Say it with me. D, D, D. D gives us Dabbi, a box full of toys. D for Dabbi. Here's D, a hard D. Tongue curled back with a puff of air. Say it with me. D, D, D. D gives us dhakke, a drum. Dhum, dhum, dhum. D for dhakke. This one is special. N, a hard N with your tongue curled back. It hides inside words. Hear it in kannu, which means eye. Blink, blink. N in kannu. Next, the T group, the soft sounds. Put your tongue on your teeth. T, th, d, d, n. Nice and gentle. Now the soft sounds. Tongue on your teeth. Meet T, a soft T. Touch your teeth with your tongue and say T. Say it with me. T, T, T. T gives us Tande, which means father, your loving appa. T for Tande. Here's Th, a soft Th. Tongue on your teeth with a puff of air. Say it with me. Th, th, th. Th gives us thermos, a thermos that keeps your milk warm. Th for thermos. Meet the, a soft the. Tongue on your teeth. The. Say it with me. The. The. The gives us deep, a little lamp glowing bright. The for deep. Here's the, a soft the. Tongue on your teeth with a puff of air. Say it with me. The. The gives us dhan, which means money. Save it in your piggy bank. The for dhana. Meet n. Say n like the n in nose. Tongue on your teeth. Say it with me. N. N gives us nai, a friendly dog. Woof woof. N for nai. Our last group, the p group. These come from your lips. P, f, b, bh, bh. Lips ready? Last group, from your lips. Meet p. Say p. Press your lips together. Say it with me. P, p, p. P gives us pakshi, a bird flying high in the sky. P for pakshi. Here's f. Say f. Careful, it's not the English F. It's a P with a puff of air. Say it with me. F, f, f. F gives us phala, a juicy fruit. F for phala. Meet B. Say B, like the bee in ball. Say it with me. B, B, B. B gives us balehannu, a yellow banana. Peel and munch. B for balehannu. Here's bh. Say bh, a bee with a puff of air. Say it with me. Bh, bh, bh. Bh gives us bhumi, which means the earth, our big beautiful home. Bh for bhumi. Our very last sound, m. Say ma, close your lips gently. Say it with me. M, m, m. M gives us mane, which means house, your cozy home. M for mane. Woohoo! Look at you! You just learned all 25 Kannada consonants in 5 groups. k, k, g, g, ch, ch, j, jh, nya, t, th, d, dh, na, t, th, 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 na, and p, f, b, bh, m. You learned the puff of air, the curl your tongue sounds, and the tongue on teeth sounds. Give yourself a giant clap. Now it's your turn. Go to Yuktira, practice on the Kannada pronunciation page, and take the Kannada consonants quiz. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one on one connect. One last thing before you go. If this helped you even a little, please subscribe to the Bhasha Bridge. We're bridging India's languages one fun video at a time. I make these for my son and for every child who finds languages hard. Yes, that means you. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.